Tackle your DIY and professional projects with speed and precision using a top-rated staple gun. The best cordless staple gun offers unmatched portability, eliminating the hassle of cords while delivering strong, consistent performance for upholstery, crafts, and repairs. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. BIELMEIER Cordless Staple Gun. The BIELMEIER cordless staple gun stands out for its power, portability, and user-friendly features, making it a reliable choice for both hobbyists and professionals. Powered by a 20-volt max, 2,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, this tool frees users from cords, gas cartridges, and compressors, allowing full mobility on job sites or DIY projects at home. It fires 18-gauge brad nails ranging from 5/8 inch to 1 1/4 inch and 1/4 inch crown staples from 5/8 to 1 inch, making it suitable for a wide range of applications such as trim, furniture assembly, and light carpentry. Its upgraded impact drive technology provides superior performance and control while being efficient and quiet in operation. One of the key safety features is its striker pin mechanism, which ensures that nails or staples can only be fired when the gun is firmly pressed against a surface, reducing the risk of accidental discharge. The included battery features charge and discharge protection to enhance safety and prolong battery life. Weighing just 4.8 pounds, the tool is lightweight and features a non-slip rubber handle that offers comfort during extended use. An integrated LED light improves visibility in tight or poorly lit areas, and the bottom-loading magazine design makes staple and nail replacement quick and easy. The complete kit includes everything you need to get started: a cordless nail gun, a 2.0 AH battery, charger, 800 nails, 800 staples, and a manual. Number 2. DEWALT Cordless Staple Gun. The DEWALT cordless staple gun is a powerful and dependable tool designed for professionals who demand high performance without being tethered to power cords. Completely battery operated, this unit eliminates the need for gas cartridges, air compressors, or hoses, giving users true cordless freedom. It's powered by DEWALT's 20V Max battery system, ensuring compatibility with a range of other DEWALT tools while delivering extended runtime and efficiency. Its brushless motor technology not only increases durability, but also maximizes the number of staples you can drive per charge, making it ideal for demanding tasks. One of the most user-centered features of the staple gun is its tool-free selectable trigger system, which allows you to switch between sequential and contact actuation modes quickly. Whether you need precise placement or rapid-fire performance, this flexibility helps match the stapler's behavior to your task. Additionally, the tool-free depth adjustment ensures that each staple is countersunk to the desired level, a crucial detail when working on delicate surfaces or aiming for a flush finish. Ergonomics and efficiency are also strong points of this model. The DEWALT cordless staple gun has a well-balanced design that reduces hand fatigue even during extended use. The magazine holds a decent staple load, and the jam-clearing mechanism is straightforward and easy to access. While this unit does not include the battery or charger in every package, users who already own DEWALT 20V Max batteries will appreciate the modular system.
Number 3. Milwaukee Cordless Staple Gun. The Milwaukee Cordless Staple Gun is designed for professionals and DIYers who prioritize efficiency, ergonomic design, and precision. Compatible with 3/8 inch flat crown staples ranging from 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch, this crown stapler excels at driving staples into a wide variety of materials such as wood, fabric, plastic, and thin sheet metal. It operates on Milwaukee's M12 battery platform and offers an impressive capacity of up to 1,500 staples per charge when paired with a 1.5 AH red lithium battery. This makes it an excellent choice for medium-duty fastening projects where both speed and reliability are key. Measuring only 7.25 inches long and weighing just 3 pounds, this cordless staple gun is compact enough to fit into tight spaces and reduces fatigue during prolonged use. The easy-to-squeeze trigger and well-balanced structure further enhance user comfort. This staple gun includes an integrated staple leg locating arrow, which allows for precise and consistent placement, a crucial feature for tasks that demand alignment and accuracy. The Milwaukee stapler also features a dual-mode trigger system that lets users switch between sequential and contact actuation firing modes. This adaptability improves workflow and productivity, especially for large-scale jobs like installation or cable fastening. Its slotted magazine design allows for quick and easy visual confirmation of staple levels, so you never run out mid-task without noticing. Reloading is fast and smooth, helping you maintain momentum during projects. Number 4, Arrow ET501C Cordless Staple Gun. The Arrow ET501C cordless staple gun is a multifunctional powerhouse designed to handle a variety of fastening needs in one compact, user-friendly tool. Its standout feature is its 5-in-1 compatibility, allowing users to load and fire multiple types of Arrow fasteners, including T50 flat crown staples, JT21 thin wire staples, T25 round crown staples, and 18-gauge brad nails. This wide compatibility makes it ideal for everything from home decor and upholstery to installing Christmas lights and wiring. One of the best cordless staple gun models for versatility, the ET501C runs on a powerful rechargeable lithium-ion battery that delivers over 1,000 shots per full charge. This ensures you can complete multiple tasks without frequent interruptions. Its compact cordless design improves mobility and eliminates the strain associated with traditional manual staplers. The tool includes a helpful color-coded guide for selecting the right fasteners for each project and a bottom load mechanism for fast and easy reloading. Arrow offers practical usage tips to enhance performance. For example, they recommend using 2 hands for better support and pressing the gun firmly to prevent kickback. A pro tip for selecting fasteners suggests buying the required size along with the next shorter one for best penetration, especially when working with dense materials like oak or plywood.
Number 5, ADOTOCAM Cordless Staple Gun. The ADOTOCAM Cordless Staple Gun is a modern, battery-powered solution that simplifies nailing and stapling projects without sacrificing power. Its cordless design eliminates the need for gas cartridges, compressors, or cords, offering true freedom for working in tight, remote, or awkward areas. This 2-in-1 tool handles both 18-gauge brad nails from 9/16 to 5/8 and 3/8-inch crown staples from 1/4 to 9/16, allowing it to tackle a wide variety of materials, including leather, carpet, plastic, cork, and even light wood. Powered by an efficient lithium-ion battery, the ADOTOCAM delivers strong, consistent performance while remaining lightweight at just 3.8 pounds. Its ergonomic rubber grip and compact frame make it easy to maneuver into tight spaces and reduce fatigue during extended use. Whether you're doing DIY upholstery, small woodworking projects, or general home repairs, the ADOTOCAM cordless staple gun offers a solid balance of affordability, precision, and ease of use. It's ideal for users seeking the best cordless staple gun for light to medium tasks and prefer intuitive design over bulk and complexity. With its wide material compatibility, compact form, and thoughtful features, it's a smart addition to any tool collection. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon